God bless America. It's fucking hot. What's up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? This is Moto Noir. Today, as you can tell, I am squidding. Reason being, it's 90 degrees, and I need to go 5 minutes down the road, pick up some oil, and I'm gonna do an oil change on the bike today. You know, I'm not gonna do a vlog about it, but I will, you know, have the video going, but I'm not going to do like a how-to or anything like that, because no one needs to listen to me on how to do an oil change on an XSR700/MT07. There's plenty of videos on the internet showing you how to properly do things. I don't need to really add to it. But, you know what? I'm going to stop at AutoZone, grab some oil, because I ordered it off of Amazon, and wouldn't you know, delayed shipment. So I need to get this done, and I'm not waiting around for Amazon. Long story short, I'm just going to go to AutoZone and take care of it, and then I'll have lots of oil left over for the garage. No big deal. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's so hot today, dude. Okay. Yeah. Made the right decision. Squidding sometimes is the right decision. Not all the time. Definitely not all the time. But every now and then, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Today was one of those days. Nope, can't park there. We shall park here. The freaking key's stuck. Okay, let's get some oil. Oil. Good. Thank you, bro. Easy freaking peasy. Now we go back to the garage and get this done. Alright. Well, that was stinking easy. Alright. Sorry about that, I had my lid open. Yo, it is so hot. I can't get over it. Oh, anyways, I'm over it. Ooh, I opened up all my vents, and I can feel it. Man, the airflow is good. Yo, this Arai Defiant-X is great with airflow. I don't even have all the vents open right now, and I can feel everything. It's so nice. Mucho nice. Ah, yeah. Oop, stand up. There we go. And stand up for this one. Oop, good. Little oop-de-oops. Maybe I'll see if a Ducati NYC wants to come over and chillax in the garage and watch me change my oil. I see you guys. Don't worry. I'm one of the good guys. My outside temp is reading 95 right now. So yeah, it's kind of warm out here. Kind of hot in these rhinos. Gotta love all of the fun people around here. Got Conseil Street Moto over there, and it's just like a big happy family. The two garages, we all love each other. What's going on? How are you? All right. Now I'm just gonna get all this up and running. Turn off the bike, of course.
hot.
And that's basically it. That's me doing an oil change. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys on the next one. Bye.